everybody, we're out here at Busch Gardens, Tampa for Tigris's media event. We're gonna take a ride in the front seat, the back seat, all over the seats. So come along, take a ride on Tigris with Theme Park Review. All right, we're here in the front seat of Tigris at Busch Gardens, Tampa, in Tampa, Florida. Oh man, that's double launch. Here comes launch number 3. And airtime up at the top. And of course, this crazy little twisty bit. And a little bit of hang time here. And whee! Oh my gosh, this is such a cool ride. And I'm looking up and we're coming back down. And that is how you take on Tigris.
Skyward surge. 1,800 feet of track. This thing goes 62 miles an hour right here. I haven't memorized this track. That's gonna be bad.
All right, we're about to take a back seat right here on Tigris at Busch Gardens, Tampa. And here we go, guys. Oh man, here we go. Full speed ahead, kids. Oh man. Oh, I love it. Crazy upside downy bit. And a little bit of twistiness. Here we go. Airtime! It's back! Woo! Woo! That is one fun, quick, but awesome ride. Woo! All right, Theme Park Review. So we're here at Tigris over at Busch Gardens, Tampa. Now, full disclosure, I've been on this ride at the sister park at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, and I absolutely love it. So we're gonna take a ride right now on Tigris. I think it's powering up. They're giving us a thumbs up. Here we go. All right, guys. I love this first little launch, like kind of right up, like up to the spike, and here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh man, this is such a fun ride. Here we go, full speed ahead. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh man, I don't know how I just got airtime going up in some crazy twisty thing, but I am all over the place. Such a fun ride. Here we go. Whoa! There's so much twistiness all over this coaster. Back into the station. Whee! Oh man, yes, it's a short ride, but this ride packs a punch. So come on down to Busch Gardens, Tampa. Try out Tigris, take on Tigris, and bye-bye.